Everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I want to tell you that After Effects has many built-in text animation you can use, but trust me, it is not as you want. That's why you need to create your own text animation. Let me show you the example of what you can create with this preset and how to use this preset generated by After Effects. So let's start by creating a new composition. Let's call it text animation. So with 1920 1080 frame rate 25 resolution 4, let's duration, give it 10 seconds. Click OK. So I'm going to add the new background, new solid background. Go on layer, click new solid. So let's call it PG for background. So you have to change the color. You can choose the one you want. Let's use this one. So you have to lock it in order to not move. So I'm going to type some text. Let's type text. So I'm going to place this text in the center. Go on align it tool. Click on this align horizontal and vertical. So if you don't see this align, you have to go in the window and click on align, then it will show up here. So I'm going to click on this selection tool. So if you want to see the effect and preset for this text, you can go and click on this effect and preset. Then you have to click on this animation preset. Then you can see this text. So you can see there's many preset text animation, animate in, animate out, pros. You can see there's many like scale, rotation. So let's choose this one, animating. So you can see in animating there's many presets you can use, like flying, random fade up. Let's choose like this. Let's take this one and put it on the text. So you have to click on new to see these keyframes. So you can see how the text animation generated by After Effects is look. It's like this one. So there is no way you can control this text. It is not even look good. So let me see, but you can use it if you don't have time, if you want to create the quick animation. Let's increase the size of this text and align it again. Align it in the center. So I'm going to delete this animation and add another one. Let's delete this launch selector. So I'm going to find the other one to show you that there is many presets you can use, but it doesn't look good. Let's see like this one. Type loiter. Let's see. Let's keep it close like this. So you can see this is the text generated by After Effects. This is the text preset you can use. Let's delete it and use it another one. Let's see like this. Let's search like the text. Let's take like this one. So I don't like how this text animation created, but in this video, in this course, I want to show you how you can create even more cool and animated text even After Effects. So let's see in other video.